Hi guys, welcome to Pillai's Physio channel. Please like, subscribe, and if you have any doubt in your exercises, please comment in the comment box. I will answer for that. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing my channel. Okay, today we are going to see some simple neck exercise. Nowadays, this neck pain here, front, everywhere. Nowadays, it is very common. Today, we are going to see some basic stretching and strengthening exercise for the neck pain. Okay, okay. Neck pain due to many reasons. Nowadays it is common in even the youngsters and the middle age and the old age people. So we need to do some exercise to make the muscle and the joint flexibility as well as to make the muscle strength. Okay, the first exercise, slow, we can start with the stretching exercises, then go for the strengthening. Okay, always start with the stretching exercise, so it will help you to stretch your muscles, then followed by the strengthening. It will give you a good result. Okay, first go for the stretching exercises. The first exercise, move the neck up and down. First move up and hold it for 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. Now coming down. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the first exercise. In this case, if you want to get the maximum stretching, for example, if you have any tightness, you can assist with your hand. For example, moving up in the end position, just stretch like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Now while coming down, same, you can stretch like this. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this is the first one. The second exercise, moving side to side. First right side, stretch more, and you can stretch like this also. You can use your hand. 1 2 3 4 5. Now this side, left side. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so each one start with 5 seconds holding, then you may increase to 10 to 15 seconds like that. And the counts, okay, each one start with 10 times. Okay, that means 10 counts, then gradually you can increase till 20. Okay, now go for the third exercise, side stretching. Okay, this also you can use your hand. 1 2 3 4 5. Now this side, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now go for the fourth exercises. Guys, I teach you some important basic exercises. No need to do for many exercises, some exercise you do every day, it will give you good result. Okay, so now go for the fourth exercise, mainly the shoulder shrugging up and down. 1, this also if you want you can hold it. 1 2 3 4 5, down. 1 2 3 4 5, down. Okay, then go over the fifth exercise, just like a shoulder bracing. Okay, this exercise is very important one. This will give you the stretching of the chest muscles and the contraction of the upper back muscles, so you can do it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, like this you can do it. And go for the shoulder rotation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Same like this, opposite side rotation, anti-clockwise. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, first start with these exercises. Okay, so then after a week or after 2 weeks you can go for the strengthening exercise for the leg. Strengthening also start with a simple basic strengthening I teach you. This is enough to do at your home. Okay, first one, start here. You have to press this time, you have to press with your hand. Okay, so you have to press the head with your hand, same time you have to press the hand with your head, just opposite the counter pressure. See, now I am pressing. See, the main thing, the body should be straight, neck should be straight. Okay, just press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now I feel the pressure here, the neck muscles. Okay, now go for this side. So guys, as I told you, you have to press your head with the hand, same time you have to press your hand with your head, so that it's like a static one, static exercise. It is called as static exercise. So you will feel the pressure in the side neck muscles. Here you will feel the pressure, you should feel the pressure here, then that means you are doing correct. Okay, and the pressure should be moderate, not too much pressure. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so like this, 4 sides of the head you have to do, so that we can strengthen all the surrounding muscles of the neck. First one finished, second one finished, now the third one, the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I am doing, I am pressing here. Okay, see, I am pressing with your hand. Okay, now I am pressing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now the last one, pressing here in the front side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 10 seconds holding each one. Start with 5 times and gradually increase to 10 times. It depends on your pain. Okay, this exercise will give you the good pain relief, but the thing is that you have to do it every day, same like everyday activities. Please just spend time for your health. Okay, and do it either morning or evening. Start with 1 time per day, so gradually increase to twice a day. Okay, so keep on doing. So if you have any doubts in that, please comment in the comment box, I will answer for that. Okay, so now it's a pandemic situation, so most of the people are having pain and they are afraid to come to the hospitals. So for those people it will be helpful, and okay, if you make it every day, we can strengthen your muscles. Okay, so that in future you won't have any neck pain. Okay, so do it well. And for the pain at home, you can apply some ointment, any cream, ointment, and some hot pack. Okay, you can apply. Okay, so be healthy, be safe.